Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Hypnolab's script generator. So we're in the full scripts section here. And the way you start off is there's some filters up here. So you can select the filters and they will change, as you can see. We'll keep it on general. And then you select one of the treatments. So let's go with sleep as an example. Now, what that will do, any of these buttons here will change the treatment selection down here. So as you can see, we've got all the sleep ones there. If we scroll to the top, we change the money. We scroll back down, go to treatment, and you've got all the money ones there. So that's how you start selecting the individual treatments. And then once you've selected something, you go through and you can now choose your intro. And there's a whole bunch that you can choose from. It'll tell you how long the intro goes for and how long the total script that you're putting together goes for, roughly. And you'll actually see the live script being built over on the side here. So if we change it from close your eyes, it says there, to something else, do your choice. It says as you choose, and now it says as you choose to sit back and relax. So it'll update automatically for you on the fly. You then choose your relaxation that you want. Again, it tells you how long it goes for. We can then set a different scene. So there's long versions, there's short versions. So if you're trying to develop a script that goes for half an hour, you might want to choose some of the long options. If you're trying to create a script that goes for under 10 minutes, you might want to choose one of the rapid ones. You can then choose your deepener, again, rapid and long. There's different ones you can choose from there. And then you choose your treatment. And so let's do so in the treatments, we'll have suggestions. We've got future paces. We've got metaphors. Let's just do the control panel metaphor. It tells you it goes for 5 minutes. So we're looking at a total of a 10-minute or a 9-minute audio program at the moment, or script. The direct suggestions, you can fill it in yourself. These are just some prompts. If you don't like it and you just want to go with what's already there, you can delete it. You can leave it. If I scroll down, we'll see the direct suggestions down here. Now, what you can do is if you want to change it, say every day you now find it easier to go to sleep. And if we click out of that, you'll see down here, it's now updated it here. So it'll update it on the fly for you. But if you don't like it, you can delete it and you can get rid of it completely and it will disappear from the script. So these are just prompts. You don't need to fill them in. Then the future pacing. Future pacing is prompts again, so you can fill that in. You can create your own customized future pacing for your client. And then there's a count out. And again, if you don't like some of the language, you can always change that. So it says feeling wonderful and refreshed, I should say. So there's a mistake there. So let's say wonderful, feeling energized. Let's say energized. And if we scroll down, you'll see down here, it doesn't say energized yet. It says feeling wonderful still. And if we click out, it'll now say energized. And that's how you use this script generator. So within a matter of seconds, ideally, you can create your own customized hypnosis script. It's unlimited. You can create as many as you like. What you then do is export it as a PDF. It'll save down to your hard drive. If you prefer it in a Word document, what you can do is go and highlight all of this. And we'll scroll down and select all, copy, and then go to a Word document, paste in that Word document, you've got full access to it. This little code here tells you exactly what you have chosen. So you've chosen sleep in the first drop down, you chose the 7th one, then the 8th selection in the 2nd drop down, the 5th and the 3rd, the 1st and the 4th, and the 8th and the 5th. And so this allows you to recreate that same script. Maybe you liked everything about it, but you just wanted to change that from number 5 to say number 6. So you can kind of go back, you can recreate it. Let's go to where number 5 is here. And you're like, you know what, I don't want the relaxing moonbeam anymore. I'm dealing with a client that loves tropical islands. Let's throw the tropical island one in there. And now we have it changed. It's a little bit longer now, and we can then go back and export that again. And that is how simple it is to create a custom dynamic hypnosis script in a matter of seconds using Hypnolab AI.